Hi everyone, welcome to NGuru. I'm sure you're excited to check out our latest live feature. Let's learn how to subscribe to a plan. When you open the app, you see 5 tabs below. Click on Live. This takes you to the Live Classes feature page. If you want to know more about our live classes, you can click on Learn More to watch a video. You can click Skip to get back to the home page. You can also view your curriculum using the tab given here. Now clicking on Choose a Plan takes you to the plans available. Right now there's just one plan for you, which is called the free one-day plan. We'll keep adding more as we go ahead. Click on the plan. This takes you to the next page where you can choose a date as well as a topic of your choice. I choose the first one, 5th August, Monday, introducing myself. Once this is done, click on Continue. Make your payment using your NGuru coins or any payment mode that you prefer. Since this is a free course, I will not have to make any payments. Click on Continue. Congratulations, you have now subscribed to the free one-day plan. Click on OK and be ready to start your live classes. Happy learning!